Hello, my crafter friends. Hello, my creative friends, and welcome back. Today, I want to take you on a little journey where ordinary bottles and jars become something extraordinary. These glass pieces that many of us toss away without a second thought can actually transform into messenger. Yes, messengers of creativity, sustainability, and mindful livings. Through freeze and recycle and a little imagination, we can recreate these bottles into beautifully designed pieces that not only save the environment but also become a centerpiece in your homes, our gathering, or even our business. So grab your jars, bottles, or any glass centerpiece container lying around, and let's recreate magic together. Crafted it by your mind, creativity in your mind and soul. Recycling is important, we all know that, but when you take a bottle and transform it into art, you are going one step further. You are recreating, you are giving that object second life, a new purpose. Think about it. This bottle once carried water, juice, or soda, but now it shines with light, it holds flowers, or it glows as a lantern. It carries a new story, a new message. This is what I love most about crafting and recycled materials. Every piece has a story. Every piece, every design carries a hidden whisper, and every design came out with different design. One only, no one is another same. We are more than that we were. These bottles become messengers, reminder us that change, the transformation are following information, and change and transformation are always possible. Let's get practical and walk through the steps and turning your bottle into a glowing masterpiece. First of all, you have to clean the bottle. Start by washing your bottles thoroughly, removing labels from water and bit of baking soda or vinegar work wonders. A clean base is like a blank canvas waiting for your touch. Now pick up your jute rope or burlap, wrap it around the bottle in layers, strips or beadswork or braids for a cozy rustic look. Braid the threads before attaching. You can glue it down with a hot glue gun or tie it for a softer natural effects. This is where your creativity flows. Attach wooden beads, shells, lace, or even small charms when a festive vibe. Add golden threads or tiny bells when the natural feel. A dried feather or even pressed flower looks amazing. Once your outside design is ready, it's time to light up the soul of your bottle. Place a candle, LED tea light, or fairy lights inside. Watch as the light dances through the patterns you have created. It's like your design has come alive. At that stage, your once forgotten bottle is now a beautifully designed lantern ready to glow and become a centerpiece of any table or shelf. Now you can might be thinking, why go through all this effort when we can just buy a lamp or candle holder from the market? The answer is simple: soul. When you recreate, you are putting a piece of your soul, yourself, into your work. These bottles are not just objects, they are conversation. Imagine a guest coming into your home, seeing a glowing jute wrapped lantern, and asking, "Where did you get this?" And you smile and say, "I made it." The moment is priceless. On a deeper level, these crafts look also save money, save the planet, spread positivity. Each piece becomes a messenger of hope and creativity. And save the planet. One less bottle is a trash means one more step toward a cleaner earth. And if you are someone who dreams of turning your passion into profit, these handmade pieces are perfect for a small business. People love buying things that are unique, personal, and eco friendly. Thank you.